Hey guys, what's up? This is Steve here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't hit the like button or subscribe button, smash those now to help my channel out. Now, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a product that I've never thought I would be unboxing. This is the Drop BMR1. These are called Nearfield monitors or speakers. And this product was generously donated by my brother to do this unboxing. Now, the BMR1 stands for Balance Mode Radiator, which is kind of a technology that they use in speakers to allow a couple of things. One is to have a wider sound dispersion. Second is to have a better soundstage profile. And third is to have the sound quality that you can get from these BMR technology into a very small footprint, such as this monitor here. Now, BMR1 is the product from Drop, which otherwise known as Corsair now, which you might have heard was purchased by them. And we're going to look inside the box, take a look at what you get. And also, we're going to try and do a sound test for you to compare an old speaker that I have with these speakers and whether or not this is something that's worth it or whether or not it's not. So, let's take a look at the box. So, it comes in a very nondescript box, brown box that you would say. On the front, we have the logo for Drop and BMR1, and these are Nearfield monitors. These are what it looks like. On the side of the box has the Drop logo, and on the other side, it also has the Drop logo. On the back, it just basically has the product name and the model number, and that's about it. It's a very nondescript box. Now, this product sells for $170 Canadian. And if you buy it as an early bird special, which this one was, it was $130 Canadian, which is all right for a speaker. All right, let's take a look inside the box. So it just comes with a sticker here that you can peel off. I'm gonna open it up. All right, so inside the box, this is what you get. So we have two speakers here. I believe these are stands, and this is the power supply. So not a lot that you can see here, but let's take out each speaker. So I'm just gonna slowly take it out. I don't wanna damage it. Okay, so it comes in nice wrapped bag. Okay, so here is the speaker. This is the Drop BMR1 Nearfield monitor. This is the right channel. And you can see here, there's the speakers, and on the back, there is also one here. So when you take it out, you gotta be careful not to press on it. Make sure you hold it from the edges. This thing looks, pretty ordinary to me. I'm not a big speaker fan to say, but here are some of the outputs. So we have the power supply going into the speaker. You have two different modes. You have 2.0 mode and 2.1 mode, which you can toggle between. So if you have a subwoofer, you can actually connect this to the subwoofer. It has auxiliary out, a headphone, and an input jack. And then I believe this connector here connects to your other speaker if you do not decide to use the Bluetooth function. There is a screw here, right here in the middle, and I think that is for the stand. Or there's also the same screw here, which I believe allows you to put it horizontally like this on the table. So I'm gonna put this down, and we're gonna continue to take out what else is in the box. All right, so this is the left speaker, and it looks pretty much identical to the first one on the right. And on the back, there's only the connector to connect the two speakers together. Okay, so these two are putting here. Next is these two little pieces. So this is the mount that goes on the bottom or on the side. So you can put the speaker in whichever orientation you like. And for instance, you can put it in this way. So it goes in like this. And there's a screw that you would just basically screw in, and then it'll look pretty cool on its horizontal axes. There's a Drop logo on the stand. Alternatively, you can put it this way, and it will stand up like this, I believe. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. So what do you get? You get one speaker holder, and you get the other speaker holder here. Same thing. Put this here. And finally, in the middle, there is a big box here. And this is actually the power supply. So let's take a look inside. You have an Allen key and you have the speakers, the screws, sorry. It has a couple of washers on them. Put that here. It comes with the audio 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Let's put this away. You have your power adapter or power cord. And this is your power adapter. And finally, you have the connector that connects to both speakers. So I've read around that this cable is actually quite short. And you know, since you can operate this in Bluetooth mode, that might be a reason why it's short. I don't know. Some other qualms that I've heard about the speaker is that when the power is plugged into the speaker, which is the right speaker, it actually gets quite hot. Whether this is a design flaw or something else, it remains to be seen, but I heard that it does get quite hot. The last thing that people may not like about this product is that there's no power button to power off. The only way to do it is to either plug in the power bar or the plug into a switch, like a smart switch, or you just have to unplug it every time. So that might be something that is that may deter you from actually purchasing this product. On the actual AC power adapter box, it says first step is to connect the power to the speaker, then connect the adapter to the power bar, and then finally connect the power bar to the wall. Maybe in a different order, it may damage the speaker system. Who knows? But I'm not here to find out. Okay, so this is all that's in the box for the BMR1. Now we're going to do a sound test, so stick around. Also stick around for some perspective views of this guy. I'm going to show you how it all looks when it's all set up, and you can decide for yourself whether or not the speaker system is for you. All right, so stay tuned for the sound test. Stay safe and take care.